Namaste. Now we are with maths, and let me tell you how I am going to incorporate the value of hope while we learn mathematics. And you know what the topic is? The topic is number system. We all know that number is a count or measurement, and numbers are integral part of learning mathematics, and nature is guided or rather ruled by numbers. We learn about cost, revenue, population, target, loss, profit, everything with number. Knowing what number to expect next in the pattern will help you to interpret the results on an activity. Interpretation of numbers can influence decisions and allow people to take risk and what to expect next. Let's watch this video and I'll get back to you.
Whole numbers and natural numbers. We see numbers all around us. We count population of a country in numbers. We count money in numbers. We find area and perimeter of a land using numbers. We even talk about the position of students standing in a queue with numbers. Natural numbers and whole numbers. We count objects using numbers like 2 girls, 5 roses, 12 balls and 20 sticks. We use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to count objects. So these numbers are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. Natural numbers can be used in many ways. They can be used to show quantity and position. A cardinal number tells the quantity. It answers the questions how many? For example, how many flowers? How many books? Etc. An ordinal number tells the position of an object in a sequence. For example, the red color flower is the first. The yellow colored flower is the second. The pink colored flower is the third, and so on. A special case, 0 is not a counting number. For example, if there is no rows, then we say that there is 0 rows. Therefore, 0 is not a counting number. Now, let us study about whole numbers. This is a number line showing numbers from 0 to 10. 0 is not a counting number, whereas the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are counting numbers or natural numbers. So, the number 0 together with the collection of natural numbers are called as whole numbers. In this number line, we see that the number 6 is before the number 7. So, the number 6 is the predecessor of the number 7, which is a whole number. Do we have predecessor of 0? No, we don't have any predecessor of 0, which is a whole number. The successor of a whole number lies just to the right of a number, and the predecessor of a whole number lies just to the left of a number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Each and every whole number has a successor starting from 0. For example, 1 is the successor of 0. 9 is the successor of 8. The value of whole number increases as we go from left to right in a number line, and the value of whole numbers decreases as we go from right to left. Let us revise natural numbers and whole numbers by comparing them in a tabular form. Every natural number and whole number has a successor. There is no natural number whose successor is 1, and there is no whole number whose successor is 0. 1 is the smallest natural number and 0 is the smallest whole number. There is no largest natural number and similarly there is no largest whole number. 0 is not a natural number, but 0 is a whole number.
Hello, you there. Hope you are done. You have learnt now all types of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, etc. You've also learnt how counting leads to reach these numbers. These math rules of getting to numbers are important for anyone in our common day-to-day life. When we extrapolate numbers to find a relation to life, we can easily say that the value of numbers teach us is hope. Numbers teach us to be guarded about what is next to follow or what to expect. The value of hope is extremely important to all of us, all human beings. And hope is an optimistic state of mind, and it is fundamental to the expectation of positive outcomes. It stands for a desire that something great is happening or going to happen. Numbers play a very important role in keeping people's hope in high levels. There are quite a few MCQs given here below, and please answer them quickly. And thank you very much for being with me, and I enjoyed being with you. Thank you very much and namaste.